Hi everyone and welcome back to Dev Portal. In today's video we will explore one of the most important concepts in Java, interfaces. Interfaces play a crucial role in achieving abstraction, multiple inheritance and polymorphism. We will break down how to define interface, how to use them and implement interfaces effectively in Java. An interface in Java is a reference type similar to a class that can contain abstract methods, methods without a body and constants. Unlike classes, interfaces provide full abstraction, meaning they do not contain any implementation detail. In essence, an interface defines a contract that classes can implement, specific what method a class must have, but leaving the detail of how these methods should be implemented to the class itself. Here is a basic structure of interface in Java. I already created one interface of name animal. What I will do, I will create one abstract method inside this interface, void sound. So this will be my abstract method. Now, so in this example, the animal interface has one abstract method sound. Any class that implements animal interface must provide an implementation of the sound method. One thing to remember, to implement an interface, a Java must use the implements keyword and provide concrete implementation of all the interfaces method. Now we will go to the dog class and this class will implement the interface of animal. So I will add implements, dog implements animal interface, and I need to provide the implementation here. So let me add sysout dog makes a sound. Let me save this code. Same way I will go to the cat class and this class will also implement animal interface, and I need to provide the implementation with whatever is present in animal class. Let me add sysout statement, sysout cat makes a sound. Let me save this code and go to the demo class, and here I will create object of dog and animal, dog and cat class. Animal dog equal to new dog, and I will call dog dot sound. So what it will do, it will calls dogs implementation of sound method. Same way I will create object of cat class, animal cat equal to new cat, and I will call cat dot sound, and this will calls cat's implementation of sound method. Let me save this code and run it, and you can see in the console it is printing dog makes a sound, cat makes a sound. Here both dog and cat implements animal interface and provide their own specific implementation of sound method. One of the key advantage of interfaces is that it allows multiple inheritance in Java. While Java does not support multiple inheritance with classes, a class can implement multiple interfaces, allowing it to inherit multiple sources. Now let me show you how we can achieve that. I have already created one more interface, name as pet. What I will do, I will provide one abstract method inside this interface as well, void play. This will be the abstract method. Abstract method. And now let me go to the dog class. Here you can see it is only implementing the animal interface. I will ask him to implement pet interface as well. Now let me provide implementation of play method here, sysout, and I will add dogs dog play. Now let me go to the demo class. Let me remove this code and what I will do, I will create object of dog class equal to new dog, and I will call dog dot sound and dog dot play. Here a dog class implement both animal and pet interface, inheriting the behavior defined by the both interfaces. Let me run this code for you. So you can see it is printing dog makes a sound and dog play. Since Java 8 interfaces can also contain default methods and static methods, default methods provide a way to add new functionality to interfaces without breaking the existing implementation of class that already implements the interface. Here how we can achieve default, how we can use default methods work in an interface. Let me go to the animal interface, and what I will do, I will create one default method here, default void sleep, and I will provide implementation here itself. Sys out the animal is sleeping. Now let me again go to the demo class, and here now if you see I am calling one more method dog dot sleep. Let me add comments, calls the default method from the interface, default method of the interface. Let me comment play method and save and run. So you can see it is printing dog makes a sound, the animal is sleeping. If I uncomment this as well, still it will work because it is implementing two interfaces. So in this example, the dog class does not need to implement the sleep method because it has a default implementation provided by the animal interface. This is for today's video on interfaces in Java. Interfaces are powerful feature of Java, allowing for abstraction, flexibility and multiple inheritance. They form the backbone of many Java design patterns and framework. In our next video, we will take a closer look at a real-world application example of how we can use interfaces in our code. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to DevPortal for more programming tutorials. Until next time, happy coding.